Welcome to tonight's Treehouse.
Hi guys, welcome to Natalie's Treehouse. Today we have the Magic Mat by Smarkids. Using just water, we can draw and make some pretty pictures. And over time, as the water evaporates, our mat goes back to the way it was before, so we can keep using it over and over again. How cool is that? As you can see on the back of the box, it comes with some tips on how to make the most out of your Magic Mat. The Magic Mat comes with 4 different writing utensils, the mat, an awesome instruction book showing you different designs you can make with the mat, and some stencils. Let's open it up and check it out. Wow, this mat is huge! And it came with even more stencils and this awesome whiteboard. Let's check it out.
Yes!
So let's draw something on this whiteboard real quick. How about we pick one of these stencils and we try to draw something. I think I'm going to try to draw this banana. What do you think, guys? How do you think it turned out? Alright, let's actually try out the Magic Mat now. What do you say?
Yes!
So look, we have 4 different utensils we could use. We have 1 small tip, 2 with a larger tip, and a paintbrush. Can you help me pick out something to draw out of this book? We have some base elements, or a chicken, bunny, a crab, dolphin, a butterfly, even more pictures. You know what? I think I'm going to try that little chicken. For the chicken, I think I'm going to use the small tip. Let's try it out. First, we start off with a circle. Then we draw the eye and the beak. Let's draw the body. Oops, I made my chicken kind of fat. And a little wing. Now add some chicken legs. What do you think? I think it turned out pretty cute. How about we try out some of these awesome stencils?
Yes!
I think I'm going to go with the shapes. Okay, so we have some shapes. Let's try out the paintbrush, okay? I'm going to go for the triangle. And I think I want to color it all in. Turned out pretty good, I think. We can also look at these letters over here on the side and practice our writing. Let's try to make a D now. Pretty nice, huh? We also have all these other stencils we can still use. I think let's try making a cloud. And I'll use the big marker for it. Beautiful! And of course, you don't have to use the stencils or the book. You can just draw whatever you want. I think it's a pretty fun little toy. What do you think? Alright guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye!